Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some chicken lollipop. If you hear anything loud, I'm at work, so that's probably the AC. Let's get straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing that we're gonna do is get our chicken prepared. If you're wondering why my chicken I'm seasoning on it, is because I had this idea last minute. I had planned to do something else. So what we're gonna do is cut the chicken right where the meat starts to get thin. Cut it around in a circle, and we're gonna take all the cartilage and the fat part of that piece off. So it should be looking like this, guys. Ensure that all of that is cleaned off, all the cartilage, all the extra fat, the skin, everything is off. This is just really for presentation. You might say it's wasting meat, but anyway. So next we're gonna pull down the rest of the meat down to the bottom. Anyway, you're gonna pull the meat down to the lower part of the chicken leg, like so. That's it. Season the rest of your meat. So now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of chili powder to 1 cup of flour. Guys, use any seasoning that you want. This is just my blend for this recipe because it changes with each recipe. Next, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of Cajun Seasoning. Again, use whichever ones that you like. And no, I'm not being paid by Island Spice. I just really like their seasoning. Next, I'm gonna add some barbecue spice, another teaspoon. Then I'm gonna add some ginger powder, about half teaspoon or a quarter teaspoon. Not a lot, just a little bit. And then some black pepper, half teaspoon. And that's it. Shake it up, put your chicken in it, and deep fry them. Alright, so let's move on to making my dipping sauce for my fries. I'm gonna start off with some mayonnaise. This is about 2 or 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Gonna add some hot sauce, about half tablespoon of hot sauce, some ketchup, half tablespoon or a quarter tablespoon of ketchup. And this, guys, this is that is the bomb. I'm gonna add that in there too, about half tablespoon or 2 teaspoons. Then we're gonna add some oil, just a little bit of oil. Mix that around, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge to cool. Guys, may I tell you, when I say the thing eat good, it damn good. It damn good. Anyway, put that in the fridge, and then we're gonna get started on the chicken. Alright, so this oil has been eating up. If I sound different, it's because I'm sitting in the cars at work. You know, I work at Mazda, so I'm doing my voiceover in the car. So anyhow, I'm gonna add the chicken to the flour, shake it around a little bit, and then just drop them in the hot oil. That's all. Very simple fried chicken, really, you know. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the fries now. Everybody knows how to fry fries, regular thing. Just fry them up for about 5 minutes and drain them off. Put some salt on it, and that's it. This is the finished product of the fried chicken. I added foil paper to the bottom part the bottom part of it, just for presentation. You can let it stay unfoiled if you want to, but it looks better with the foil paper on it. It actually looks like a lollipop. I'm dipping it in barbecue sauce. This is my homemade barbecue sauce. I'm not gonna put the recipe up here because it's kind of like a secret ingredient thing. So this is the presentation here: spicy mayo dip and barbecue lollipop chicken and some fries. That's it. Try it, guys. It was great. Trust me, it was a hit. Give it a try. I will leave the ingredients in the description box down below. As always, love you. Have a nice day. Bye.